In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin cards using power-ups in Trello. If you're someone who manages tasks or projects on Trello, you know how important it is to keep your boards organized and efficient. But sometimes you need a way to highlight a specific card so it stands out from the rest. That's where the pin card power-up comes in. This feature allows you to mark key cards on your Trello board, making them easy to find and reference. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get started. To begin, head over to your Trello board. Look at the top right corner of your screen and locate the rocket ship icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the Power-Ups menu. This is where all the enhancements and integrations for Trello live. Next, in the Power-Ups menu, you'll see an option labeled Add Power-Ups. Click on that button to access the Power-Ups library. Here, you can search for the tools you need to enhance your Trello experience. Once the Power-Ups library is open, move to the search bar at the top. Type in the words Pin Card. This will help you locate the specific power-up we're working with today. The Pin Card power-up is developed by a company called Blue Anvil Software, so keep an eye out for that name to make sure you're selecting the right option. When you see the Pin Card power-up in the search results, look to the right of it and click the Add button. This will install the power-up onto your Trello board. Now that the power-up is installed, you'll need to activate it. To do this, click the rocket ship icon again to reopen the Power-Ups menu. In the list of options, you should now see Pin Card listed. Click on it to start the authorization process. At this stage, Trello will prompt you to authorize the Pin Card power-up. This step is necessary to allow the feature to interact with your board. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once the power-up is authorized, you're ready to pin your first card. Navigate to the specific card on your Trello board that you want to pin. Click on the card to open it. At the bottom of the card, you'll notice the rocket ship icon again. Click on that icon to open the list of power-up actions associated with the card. From the list of actions, select the Pin Card option. This will reveal a button labeled Pin This Card. When you click this button, the card will be pinned to your Trello board. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a card using the Pin Card power-up. This is a great way to keep important tasks or items front and center for quick access whenever you need them. If you're new to Trello or don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.